Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Biolage Hydra Conditioner is probably one of the most sought-after hair care solutions for those battling dryness and dehydration, promising to quench thirsty strands with its intensely moisturizing formula designed to leave your hair feeling soft, supple, and revitalized. Number 5. Keranique Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Revitalize and repair your dry, thinning hair with this ultra-deep hydration set. It's designed to renew shine and softness while helping to reduce signs of shedding. Replenish moisture and improve manageability with our intensive shampoo and conditioner. Get beautiful volume without weighing your hair down. This formula is packed with conditioning lupin, moisturizing olive oil, and strengthening keratin and biotin. It provides intense hydration and protection for your hair. Our proprietary keratin amino complex helps reduce hair fall due to breakage. It strengthens thinning hair and shields it against external damage. Join over 2 million women worldwide who trust our products. We deliver life-changing solutions for thinning hair, creating the foundation for fuller growth. What we like. This set is a thirst-quenching dream team for your hair. It's designed to revitalize and repair dry, thinning hair, renewing shine and softness. If you have dry, thinning, or damaged hair and are looking for intense moisture without weighing your hair down, you should consider this. What people say. Noticed a difference in texture and volume on first use. After 4 days of using, my hair is getting curly back, definitely noticed the volume, and significantly less hair loss during washes and hair fall. Shampoo conditioner combo, makes hair feel fuller, has a nice mild smell, does what it promises. My hair is coming back stronger, thicker, and with more body than I ever had before. Number 4. Biolage Hydra Source Detangling Solution. Is your hair feeling dry and unmanageable? Discover the solution designed to bring life back to your locks. Tired of struggling with knots? This formula glides through your hair, making detangling a breeze. Say goodbye to frizz and flyaways. Enjoy smoother, more controlled hair with every use. Combat static electricity that causes flyaways. Achieve a sleek and polished look effortlessly. We care about your hair's health. That's why this product is formulated without parabens, offering gentle care. Experience hair that feels deeply hydrated and revitalized. It's the perfect solution for dry, thirsty strands. What we like. This detangling solution is perfect for dry hair. It effectively detangles and controls static for less frizz and flyaways. If you struggle with tangled hair and frizz, and are looking for a quick and easy way to manage your locks, this is the one for you. What people say. My curls seem more defined, my hair is super soft, and the scent is really clean smelling even after my hair completely dried. It makes your hair super soft and gets the tangles out in the shower. Also, a little goes a long way. This size bottle lasts me 10 to 12 months. It detangles my curly hair that can get lots of knots, it leaves my hair soft and smells nice. Number 3. Biolage Hydra Source Deep Treatment Mask. Is your hair feeling dry and thirsty? Discover the ultimate solution for intense hydration. This mask is designed to quench your hair's thirst. Experience a transformation as it deeply nourishes your locks. It works to smooth frizz and leave your hair feeling incredibly soft to the touch. Infused with the goodness of microfiltered aloe vera, it brings natural soothing properties. We've also added fermented hyaluronic acid for an extra boost of moisture. Give your dry hair the revitalizing treatment it deserves. This mask penetrates deeply to restore essential moisture and vitality. Achieve that silky smooth finish you've always wanted. Enjoy beautifully hydrated hair that looks and feels healthier than ever before. What we like. This deep treatment mask is designed to nourish and smooth dry hair. It's infused with microfiltered aloe vera and fermented hyaluronic acid for ultimate hydration. If your hair is feeling dry and needs an intensive boost of moisture and smoothness, this mask is an excellent choice. What people say. I used this product once and it eliminated the frizz, added more shine than any other greasy, oily shine product that leaves residue. My hair is clean, smells great, softer than it has been in Lord knows how long, and my ends look as if I just got a haircut. My hair feels so soft, smooth, and hydrated after every use. It revives dry ends without weighing my hair down, and the scent is clean and fresh. A little goes a long way, so it lasts quite a while as well. Leaves my hair soft and manageable. Definitely helps the split ends. I can style my hair without tangles. Smells great too. Number 2. PURA Deep Moisturizing Biotin Conditioner. Say goodbye to dry, damaged scalp and hair. Our powerful blend of botanical ingredients targets the source of common scalp issues, leaving your hair feeling refreshed and revitalized. Combing and styling your hair has never been easier. The botanical ingredients in this formula smooth and detangle your locks, significantly reducing frizz for effortless manageability. Experience the silky, soft bounce you remember from your youth. This moisturizing conditioner repairs hair by fortifying the hair shaft with a protective coating for a younger, healthier look. Argan oil acts as a protective shield against environmental damage, keeping your hair silky and soft. It safeguards each strand, allowing your hair to begin its recovery from damage. We are committed to your satisfaction. Enjoy healthier hair with our deeply moisturizing conditioner, and join our community of happy customers. What we like. This conditioner is formulated to eliminate the source of scalp issues like dryness. Its botanical blend smooths and detangles hair, reducing frizz and bringing life back to your locks. If you suffer from a dry scalp and frizzy, damaged hair, and are looking for a natural solution to repair and protect your strands, this is the product for you. What people say. Both products have a pleasant, natural scent and a rich texture that feels gentle on the scalp. The shampoo cleans thoroughly without drying out my hair, and the conditioner leaves it soft, smooth, and easy to manage. After a few weeks of use, my hair feels stronger and healthier, and I've noticed less hair shedding during washing. Number 1. Briogeo Don't Despair, Repair. Super Moisture Conditioner. Is your hair feeling dry and damaged? Our Super Moisture Conditioner is here to help restore its vitality. It's designed to deeply hydrate and nourish every strand. This powerful formula is enriched with argan oil, known for its incredible moisturizing properties. It works to soften and smooth your hair, leaving it feeling revitalized. You can trust this conditioner to be gentle on your hair while delivering powerful results. It effectively combats dryness and damage without weighing your hair down. We believe in beauty without compromise. That's why our Super Moisture Conditioner is proudly vegan and cruelty-free. Feel good about the products you use. Experience the difference that deep conditioning can make. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to softer, healthier-looking hair. It's time to bring your hair back to life. What we like. This conditioner provides super moisture for dry, damaged hair. It features argan oil to deeply hydrate and repair. If you're looking for an intensely moisturizing conditioner that is also vegan and cruelty-free, and want to repair damage while adding softness, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Hair will be manageable and easy to comb without tangling. The heat cap helps the nutrients from the conditioner get deep down into the hair shafts and moisturizes your scalp. Great shine, wonderful scent, and great moisture level. This conditioner leaves my hair feeling soft, smooth, and hydrated without weighing it down. It adds moisture without causing buildup or irritation. After using it, my hair feels silkier and easier to manage. The texture is thick and creamy, and a little goes a long way. It is vegan, cruelty-free, and made with ingredients I feel good about using. This conditioner always leaves my hair feeling soft, moisturized, and healthy looking. Brushing is always easy after using this conditioner in the shower as well. Plus the brand is cruelty-free, which is very important to me. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.